What I do is I create businesses and I use AI to do that. And so I use Claude basically. And hello, beautiful world. This is a little bit of an ad on my Instagram, on my spit it out. There's so many socials, isn't there? On my YouTube. Okay. And so my name's Leah. I own contentfactoryai.org. What I do is I create businesses and I use AI to do that. And so I use Claude basically and a couple of the platforms, depending on your business, is dependent on what I might use to. Sometimes you need other things attached to it. Sometimes people might want, just for example, okay, sometimes people might want scheduling done, and as in they want content created and they want it scheduled, and you can pay to, there's a business that is created using AI that you can pay a little bit so it schedules all your posts for you. You can also do that for free by going to each of the platforms and sitting there for a couple of minutes and scheduling a month's worth of posts. But what I do is I basically take businesses and I look at all these broken bits within that business and I fix them and I rebuild it, and I build a website, and I also build a SaaS platform within that website. So it's basically you can run your entire everything. So all your accounts, all your admin, all your receptionists, everything can run from this website, all right? So everything plugs into it. All the information gets stored on Supabase, for example. Okay, so that's a platform basically that holds all the information, that stores all the information. Payments can be done through Stripe. Okay, so there's all these things that can be done massively with businesses. So for examples, okay, I have created in the last several months multiple businesses based on Claude. What I did was I worked within industries, or I have been in industries. And so when I say worked, I own a cleaning business for many years. So I've created nestnurturesociety.org. Okay. Within that, there's domestic cleaning. Within that, there is in-home childcare and also in-home aged care. So that's with one business that's offering 3 different services, and there's a couple more that are going to come along. They're all about home-based services. What I did was I looked at the industry. So there's 3 industries in that. One's cleaning, again, and being in the cleaning business for all this time, I know a lot about how people are disrespected as the cleaner, as well as I just wanted some standards. So a 2-hour clean, for example, is not a standard, where a 2.5-hour clean is something that is better because the expectations weren't realistic. What I do is I look at the business and I break it down and go, what are all these pain points within this industry, within this business, because I'm doing industries. You might just have a business that I'm going to basically fix and rebuild for you. Well, I've done industries and I've built businesses from those industries. So I look at the pain points within their business, and then the pain points within the employees, the pain points within management. Management in most businesses, if management is bad from the top, then it's going to be all the way down, okay? Because that's the culture that you're building within a business. If you have bad management, I do find that when people are family-orientated businesses, the management can be quite bad because they let the family members get away with a lot, and the workers underneath them are really frightened to lose their job because of the family dynamic kind of thing. Not all are like that, but the ones that I've seen, the families have really been protected of the families and have trodden all over the people to do that. There's a couple of the stories that I have, a non-disclosure agreement I had to sign for one of them. So look, I take businesses and I fix them and I make them run efficiently. When it comes to owning a business, that should be something that you are interested in, because if you don't have your flows in place properly, which most businesses don't, okay, they're paying for this program, they're paying for this software, they sit around the table and try to work out whose job's what. Like, people can't even do their job because everyone else isn't doing their job right, and they dump all this other work on other people. You know what I'm saying when I'm saying something like this. So I look at your business and I break it down, and then I rebuild it, and I rebuild a website which is used for marketing. Okay, I build a website which is AEO, so answer engine optimization. The way the future is going, if you don't have a website in place, your marketing, you are going to be paying through the roof when it comes down to metadata, marketing with Meta. And that's probably going to get overridden by something that happens, because the powers that be, like Google, for example, and YouTube, which are the powers that be, they control everything. And when it comes down to all of your marketing and stuff like that, and that's what it is. Google changed its search engine, so that means everyone else is going to flow with their search engine like that. So I create your business, which is your website as well, based around what the future is done, what Google's done with the future, where we're going, and I fix your business flows so everything runs smoothly. And your humans that work for you are going to be more efficient in their roles. And so it's not about replacing it's about people. It's about making their job better, which allows actually to things to run smoother. So, when you go for a job and they say this is the job, and then all of a sudden you're getting all these extra other jobs put onto you, it's because they haven't got things worked out properly yet. Okay. Like even if people have been running for 20 years, because they do have to evolve, they do have to create something new to sort of be up with the trends and all that stuff, whatever their job is. And so you end up getting dumped with more roles, Well, we can make these things run efficient. And that's what it's about. And so that's all I'm going to say anyway. So that's what I do. Contentfactoryai.org is where you would want to go. And you can see the websites that I've created. I have created, and it shows that there's multiple different kind of websites. And when it comes down to your business, it's created especially for you. And so you'll contact me and say, this is what I want. And I'll say, well, this is what we're going to do. You know what I mean? As in the reality of what we can create, which is pretty much these days. The reason why I love Claude AI is because everything I wanted to do, I've been able to create. I've been able to invent, basically. Okay, so we can do just about anything that you want for your business when I look at your business and recreate it for you. So anyway, contentfactoryai.org, and I look forward to building a better business for you. Bye.